We're now at step number 18 in the loan process. You're comfortable in your home. You've already dodged all of those mailers that are trying to solicit you and trick you into paying for things. And now you're starting to receive some county tax bills from the county assessor. Those are very important to pay attention to because you could at some point receive what is called supplemental tax bills. Now, there are two types of supplemental tax bills. One is a one-time transfer supplemental tax bill. Now, a lot of people don't understand this. However, I'm going to explain it the best that I can. When you purchased your home, you purchased it in the middle of a tax period. And at closing, when you paid for the taxes for the time that you own the property, you paid based on the seller's property value. Now, the county assessor is going to go back and reassess the property from the time you bought that property. So let's say there was a 3-month window where they did not reassess the property. They're going to come back to you and say, hey, guess what? We reassessed the property and went back those 3 months. So now you owe us the difference in the reassessed value property taxes. So you may get a tax bill for $1,000, $2,000. So that's very important that you reach out to the county assessor and you ask them, is this a one-time transfer supplemental tax bill? The other type of supplemental tax bill is if the community is doing some sort of redevelopment. So let's say that there was a vote that was passed and they decided that they needed to build a new football field for your local high school. And it came to pass. And what they do for that is they collect that cost from the homeowners. So you may have a new tax on the properties that is because of that football field. And that is something that we would not know ahead of time and can change throughout the years. It can be for football fields, it can be for parks, for pavement, police departments, fire departments, reconstruction in the city. However, you as a homeowner have the opportunity on voting for any of those bills to pass. So just make sure that when you receive any supplemental tax bill, number one, you reach out to the county assessor. Number two, you reach out to your current loan servicer. I am available always to help answer questions. However, those are going to be the two best people to turn to because they're going to have all of the answers for you.